Would you like to make $12 per click free PayPal money? Yeah, this is the earn money for clicking opportunity that I'm about to show you in this video, that you can just not only earn $12, you can earn even more money with it with just some simple task that I ask you to do. You just follow these instructions. Before I show you that, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's jump back into actions by which you can just earn money. $12, it's just an example. You can earn even more money the more work you do just from clicking, and it's really cool and free way to earn. It's working worldwide. You just get PayPal money. You can earn definitely by following this method. The site that I am able to show you in this video is called warriorplus.com. Yes, you may heard it already or not. This is an affiliate marketing website. This is just a big database. This is the #1 database of make money online related products. This site has lots of vendors that provide make money online related products and affiliate marketing related tools, service, softwares, apps, you name it, just to help you with your affiliate business or the goal with your make money online. So all you have to do is, just people always want to make money online, and Warrior Plus is the #1 platform for that. You just have to pick products, and people really love make money online products always, and you can start promoting those products and you just earn commissions. But believe me, you do not have to do any hard work. You just follow this video till the end, do it accordingly step by step, and you are good to go with that. So all you have to do is just go over to warriorplus.com, and if I just go click on free sign up, it will show simple form like this. You just fill up your username, passwords, email, and captcha, and create account button. You just to create your account with Warrior Plus. So all you have to do, just confirm your email, and it will show the dashboard like this. This is the dashboard if you just log in to your Warrior Plus account, and it will show marketplace menu, vendor menu, and affiliate menu. As I can also sell my products, but we are not that expert right now. So this is the vendor dashboard. Vendors are selling their products here, but we are interested in selling vendors products and get affiliate commissions. So we are interested in affiliate menu here. If I just go over to the affiliate menu and click on offers, it will show something like this. These are all the offers right now currently listed in warriorplus.com, and these products are really good, and all these products are related to make money online and affiliate marketing, and these are all related like tools, software, website, landing page, apps, and many things like that. So you can see that Warrior Plus is showing the products releasing dates, products sales, how many sales it gets, what's the conversion rates, and what is the visitor value, average sale, and return rate. So you have to pick the right product to start working and start promoting. But the thing is, you just definitely look for refund rate first. Refund rate is something that products is you just sold it and customers return it because they don't like it, or it doesn't work. So that's really not we are looking for. We are looking for products that are really solid and working, that customers loves to buy and work with that, so we can earn constant commissions for that. So anything below 5% is a good product that we can target. So anything below 5% is a good product. So if we are looking for these are the products, and we just also looking for conversion rates, we are looking for higher conversion rates, and that has less than 5% refund rate are our real target products. So as for example, I selected these products is like its conversion rate is very high, 15% conversion rate, and it's getting only 1% refund. So this is really cool. This products is really cool. So if I select that product, I can see the details of that product and its vendors, and its price range and commissions are stated here. You can see that if you just start promoting this product, you can just earn, its starting price is $12.97. So this is why if you just get one customers, you get $12 for it for initial stage. And these guys are really professionals, and they upsells any users without any problem. They are really professional of it. So $12 is really minimum you can get. You can get up to almost $200 for commissions. If you just don't worry, you just bring customers to your affiliate link and you're good to go with that. So all you have to do is just click on this request approval button here, and you can see that it's showing you a field is request notes. This is optional thing, but definitely believe me, this is a very important text box. You have to specify that, you have to request that you are an expert on affiliate internet marketing, you are a marketer, you can market using email marketing, you can market using social media marketing, you have some social media influencers. You just say like that and ask them to approve you, and definitely if you just apply all those products, definitely within 24 hours time you will get approval on many of those products. And when you get approval, you can start promoting that product as well. If you just want to view the product's landing page, the customer is going to see, you just click on this view sales page button, and it will show the product that customer sees and buy from it. So if you just like this product, you can just request for approval, and you are going to get approved within 24 hours if you just work daily, apply all those. Not all of them going to approve you, but definitely if you just work daily, more products is going to get approved, and you will see those affiliate links to work with. So when you get an approval of an products, you just click this menu here which shows all offers, and you select only approved only products. So it will show only the approved products, so that it shows get link button like this. You just click on this get link button, and it will show your affiliate link like this. All you have to do, just copy this affiliate link and start promoting it to the method that I am about to show you right now. But before I show you that, all you have to do, if you're just liking this video, this method, just press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you're always stay with my new videos and new methods, and you can start making money right away. So we are getting this link, we just copy any affiliate link that approved by those vendors, and we get those affiliate links and copy it, and then just move on to the phase of how we can get traffic to your affiliate link. So the first thing that I recommend is just go over to Instagram.com. Yes, Instagram.com is a really good way to promote any product that you have right now. So we have some affiliate products that we can promote, and just believe me, so slowly but surely you will build your Instagram, and it will give you lots of traffic to your affiliate links in no time if you just follow and stay with the plan. You just see that I have created an Instagram profile like this. You can just create a make money online related Instagram profile and just posting daily to that profile. And you can just edit the bio here, and you can just click on edit profile and edit the bio and put the link here. You just put your affiliate link here and say that if you just want to earn money online, and just click here to start and change your financial futures and paste your link there, and you're good to go with that. Sometimes they don't accept that. If you just if that happens, you just go shorten your link, or you can just use Google Docs, and you just go Google Docs and paste that affiliate link there and share your Google Docs link in Instagram, and then you're good to go with that. It's okay with that. So all you have to do is just create this profile and then search for like make money online related pages. All in the Instagram, you can see many more make money online pages like this. You can see I have searched some pages and it show up like this. These are all make money related pages that Instagram has, and this see how they input their link, how they just say and promote their link here in the bio. And you can see that these are followers and these are their posts. They post regularly and they get more and more traffics daily without any problem. All you can do is just re-upload, repost these images from these make money online pages from Instagrams. It's no problem at all, no corporate issue. You can use these images, or you can make it in your own way. You can rewrite it and capture that image, and you can upload it to your profile. That's okay. But if you just repost these images, that's okay as well. You just read it and repost it to your profile, and you are good to go with your Instagram. And then if you just go over those pages, and you can see that they have thousands of followers. These followers are all targeted to make money online. So if you just click on that, daily you just follow 8 to 10 people daily, and slowly you can build your Instagram basement, Instagram influence. So you cannot spam it, you cannot follow it right away. You can just follow 8 to 10 people's daily for to be safe, and you can start building your followers base slowly day by day. If you just follow those people's going to get notified, and they will come to your profile and see your bio, see your affiliate link, and they can also follow you back. And if they're interested, they can go through your affiliate link and purchase that product, and you are boom right away. You for every purchase, for example, in this product, you are getting $12 for free. This is really free marketing. And all the second way is already, you can just go over to facebook.com and search for make money online groups like this. All these make money online groups has thousands of members. All you have to do is just go over those groups and join them, and every day you just post valuable post there. You provide value to them, then people definitely going to love you. And then you can just ask them that if you just want to make more money online, you can just inbox me for a better opportunity that I can give. Then if people definitely going to knock you into your inbox, and then you send those link to them using their inbox. Do not spam it, do not post your links everywhere. You just get banned from everywhere. Spamming is not allowed, and posting links also is not good. All you have to do, just build your base, build trust, and people will definitely going to love you when you then ask for them to an opportunity, and then you ask for to inbox you, you send your links. And those, believe me, it's a really targeted buyer. You can definitely trust that you can just definitely get and sell if you follow this method. And you always have to be active, and then money will follow you. So if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button, and stay with my channel. See you later. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.